Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Next, we got armrest leveler. Man, I hope I didn't dirty that. It's got dirt on it. Anyway, let's take the armrest off, take that off, see if there's some kind of way we can attach this, probably some kind of glue. To reskin your armrest, you take the 2 screws out of there to lift the armrest away. Then you got 3 screws under here to take this bottom panel off. Then this piece is pressed in here. You just massage that out, and then your material is glued to your plastic here. A lot of these armrests, people leaned on them and broke this plastic piece. But anyway, I'm gonna peel this off of here, and we're going to use some 3M glue to try to glue it on. This padding is glued to the plastic, which is nice, but this inside, all around the edge of this, was glued in with something like liquid nail type glue. So let me see what we're going to try to glue this in with. Stretched it around as best I can and got the glue on the inside, and man, that stuff stuck really good, that 3M multi-purpose adhesive. So now I'm gonna put that piece back up there, lay this center piece in, then put the cup holders back in, put the screws in it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.